In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft Ads account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready for campaigns, billing, and tracking, all set up the right way. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Microsoft Ads or Microsoft Advertising. Click the official Microsoft Advertising link. It should clearly indicate that it's a Microsoft site. On the home page, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button and click it. You may be prompted to sign in with your existing Microsoft account or to create one if you don't have it yet. Just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked for your business website URL. Enter your primary site or the page you plan to send traffic to, then continue. Next, provide your business location country, your business name, a valid email address, and a reachable phone number. Carefully review and accept the terms and conditions before moving ahead. Using accurate, up-to-date details here helps with verification and account health later. Microsoft will then ask if you want to create a campaign right away or just set up the account. If you're new, it's often best to choose Account Setup only so you can explore the dashboard, add conversion tracking, and get billing squared away before spending any budget. If you already run ads elsewhere, you'll also see time-saving import options where you can bring in existing campaigns from Google Ads or Meta Ads. Make your selection, either Create Account and Campaign or Create Account Only, and continue. If you do choose to start building a campaign now, you'll be prompted to pick an objective that aligns with your goals, such as driving website visits, generating leads, or boosting online sales. This choice helps Microsoft tailor recommendations and defaults for your setup, but you can refine details later. Next, complete your account details. Enter your legal business name, phone number, and full address exactly as they appear on official documents. Add your tax information, such as your tax ID or certificate where applicable. Then choose your preferred time zone and currency. Be careful here. Time zone and currency affect reporting and billing and are difficult to change later. Now add your payment method. You can select the option that suits your business, and if you have a valid promotional offer, enter it in the designated field so it's applied correctly. Confirm your billing address matches your payment details to avoid declines. Finally, review everything and click Create Campaign if you opted to launch now. Your Microsoft Ads account is ready, and you can proceed to refine settings, add tracking, and monitor performance in the dashboard.